All right, let's explore two powerful paths for finding some calm in this crazy world.
You know that feeling? Well, this cycle of repeating thoughts, it actually has a name. It's called rumination, and honestly, our busy modern lives can really make it worse. But what if I told you there are clear, science-backed paths to quiet that noise? First up, we're taking an inner journey. Yup, we're talking about meditation. Two big ones are mindfulness for awareness and loving kindness, which is all about compassion. The whole point is to better regulate emotions, gain clarity, and boost that compassion. All right, now for our second path. This one leads us outside into nature. It's called ecotherapy. It's all based on the idea that we have this deep biological need for nature. And this isn't just a warm, fuzzy feeling. Science actually shows how nature resets us. First, there's stress reduction theory. It says nature literally calms our stress response. We're talking real changes, like a lower heart rate, blood pressure, and less cortisol. Then there's attention restoration theory, which explains how nature recharges our tired minds. So nature calms our body and restores our mind. But how are these two linked? To understand this, we need to look at a very specific network in the brain. It's called the Default Mode Network, or DMN. It's the brain's hub for self-reflection. Now, when this network gets out of balance, it can get stuck in that rumination cycle. And this, right here, is where nature comes in. It helps us retune this network. So it happens in a clear sequence. We feel safe, our body's calm, our minds rest, and then our brain resets. That shift is huge. It's the brain's reset button, moving from worry to real reflection. So you've got the inner practice and the outer world. Both are really powerful keys to wellness. So the question is, which one of these journeys are you going to start today?